So, we're off to the Jenolan Caves and everyone's battered and wounded. Kristen, torn rotator cuff maybe. Cara, what's wrong with you? She rolled her ankle. And how many steps is Jenolan Caves, Kath?
Oh, friggin' 1,000.
1,000 steps with a rolled ankle.
I'm going to be worse than a lot of them in 3 hours time.
And a bung chicken wing.
Okay, so
Is yours hurting too?
So you're saying
Bella just hears walking 1,000 steps and she's like, oh, my legs are broken.
Yes, you said like.
Oh well, Jenolan Caves, here we come.
I said, oh, what cave are you all doing? I said, oh, we're doing the Lucas. And she looked and I said, yeah, I know.
She what?
She just smiled and looked at me.
Why? Because it's the 1,000 steps. Oh my God, what have we done?
She said, oh, don't worry, they take it a bit easy. Oh, shit.
Old broken chicken wing and old hop along in the back here. Yeah.
Oh, dear.
Looks like the Sherpa's coming out again. Yeah.
And broke legs.
Yeah, and broken legs. I'll have one on my shoulders, hobbling one like this, and hobbling you like this.
I can walk. I don't know what you're banging on about.
Oh, yeah.
Did anyone put it in the GPS? Are we going the right way?
Yeah.
Honey, what do people do before GPSs?
They followed signs.
Yeah, well, we all know what happens when you fucking follow don't put it in GPSs. You get us lost.
Well, that's
Detour for 2 hours.
That's when I use the GPSs. So
No, you did. You said I know. I don't need the GPS.
Well, you know it's this road because it said twice the road beyond Jenolan Caves is closed.
5 minutes later.
Is that it there?
Road work.
Jenolan Caves access between 8:30 and 4:30. Do you just wait there?
I don't know.
Jenolan Caves. Right. Where are you going?
Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong,
right, is it?
I don't know. You didn't put it in your GPS, mate.
No,
Look,
that's
it says
the.
Jenolan Caves.
Isn't
Put it in your GPS.
Isn't that there?
I don't know.
All right. Where's the phones? Must I do everything?
Well, it didn't say stop, did it? What did the sign say?
What, that one there?
That one.
I'm right again. It says Jenolan Caves that way. This was the national park. Why would I don't know why I listen to you guys sometimes.
I didn't say a damn thing.
Oh, just right. We just read a sign that said the national park's to the right.
I told you the caves were that way.
Yeah.
For fuck's sakes.
Caves that way.
Jenolan Caves.
Yeah. Come on. Look at this. Old hop along and old chicken wing right here. Oh my God.
You want to film the epitome?
1,000 steps, Jenolan Caves.
The epitome of health?
The tour's just begun and look, broken legs.
Oh, that's walking good.
Come on, Bella. Come on, darling. Come on, chicken wing. Here, give me the bottle of water. I'll carry everything.
Sure. Oh my God, it's cold.
Oh, it just went down like 10 degrees.
wrong.
Just a little bit nippy.
Holy shit.
How cool is this? Oh.
Is this the biggest cave you've ever been in, Ty?
Wow, look at all the stalagmites and everything up there. Look at that light up in there. Look at these steps. Who's gonna get hurt?
Well, Kara's shoelace isn't done up. So
Yeah, I know. That's an accident waiting to happen. Oh. Man, this is crazy.
yeah, I'd like to look.
Good exercise for you, mate.
So where's home?
Just outside of Bundaberg.
Who's moving down, please, ladies and gentlemen? Move down and have the beautiful making or in the line first.
We got to the end. Absolutely beautiful. And Bella's legs are broken. But we're told now we're going to walk all the way back to get out. Oh shit, here we go. Bella, can you walk? Can you walk, Bella?
Thank you for your patronage.